Hello all and welcome to the new video. In this video, we're gonna see get subsequence problem. Okay, so first of all, we will see how we'll solve this problem and then we will code it in the code editor. So let's just see. Okay, get subsequence. We have to complete the function that is GSS without changing. Okay, so we have given a string str. So let's just see what is the approach behind it. Suppose I can say ABC as my, and I have to print what? I have to print the subsequence. Now, what are these subsequence? Okay, so subsequence have 2 to the power n. Okay, where n is number of words in a string. Okay, so here we have 3 words. That means we have 8 subsequence. Let's just see what they are. C hyphen B, or I can say there is one more subsequence that is dash dash dash. Okay, now C, if B say yes, B, or I can say if B and C both say yes, if say these are the subsequence. Okay, ABC, right? These are all 8 subsequence. Now what will be my faith and what will be my expectation? Now what is my expectation? This is my expectation that I will call my function get subsequence with the string as ABC and it will print up all the subsequence. This is my expectation. Okay, this is my expectation. Now what will be my faith? Faith will be that I will call get subsequence with BC, only BC, and it will give me all the subsequence of BC. BC has 4 subsequence. Let's just write it dash 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 C, B dash and BC. Okay, so these are 4 subsequence of BC. So this is my faith. Now expectation plus faith, right? Expectation plus faith. You have noticed that. See this. These are the subsequence of BC. And you can see this. Concentrate on the first line only, okay? This line. This line. You can see that all are subsequence of BC. These are also subsequence of BC. But we have added spaces in the first half and A with the next half. That means we have 2 phases. In this, first we will add space and then we will add the character. That is the first character. That is, I have added A. So what will be my expectation plus faith? I will call. First of all, I will extract my character. Just wait a second. Okay. First of all, I will extract my character. Okay, from my string. Then I will call my function with the rest of the string. Okay, I have a faith that it will give me all the subsequence, okay, of this rest of the string. Then I will, first of all, I will make a loop. Okay, in this loop I will add space with my rest of the subsequence, and for the second loop I will add my character with rest of the subsequence. Okay, I hope the approach is clear. Okay, I hope the approach is clear. That is, I will make a call for the rest of the string. First I will extract the character. Okay, first I will extract the character, then I will make a call for the rest of the string. Rest of the string, I have a faith that it will give me all the subsequence. Then I will make one loop while adding space, first of all the space and then the character itself. Okay, so let's just try to write it in the code editor. Okay, and what we have to return, let's just see it, what we have to return. Okay, we have to return the array list. Fine, so I will make one array list here. Array list of string, I can say it ans equals to new list. Fine, and I will print it out. Not new, I will call it. I will call my function because it will return GSS of str, right? Then I will print this string. Okay. Now, first of all, what I have to do, I have to extract one character. Okay, the first character, ch equals to str dot char at 0. Okay, the 0th position character is extracted. Now I have to make one rest of the string, that will be str dot substring. Substring is the function. Okay, and it will start from 1 onwards till the end. Now I have a faith that this rest of the string will give me all the subsequence, right? That is the faith. Now I will call the function, right? I will call my function here. So it will give me array list of string. I can say this is my array list name. Okay, GSS with what? With the rest of the string, right? Now what we have to do when we have got all the subsequence, I have to add first of all the space, and then I have to add the character, that is the first character. Okay, so I can say for string a1 rrec. Okay, so I have to add, but let's just make one array list now. Array list of string, I can say it sequence new array list. Okay, now in this for loop, what we have to do, we have to say sequence dot add space or empty with what? With the this one a1, right? Now for the second loop, I will add the character itself. Fine, I will add what? I will add the character, and it will be a2. Okay, and in the last, I will return my sequence. Okay, return my sequence. So let's just try. There is one more thing left, that is the base case. Let's just try to figure it out by dry run on this. Okay, first of all, let's just erase this. Okay, and then I will take up this code. Let's just try to figure it out. What will be my base case? Suppose now, first of all, let's just take the ABC as the subsequence. Okay, now first I will extract the character. Okay, I have extracted the character. I will make the substring. Okay, this is my substring. I will call again with the BC. Okay, again with the BC. Now after calling, we will go on to this, right? We will move on to this. I will extract the character B and call with the rest of the string. Now rest of the string will be C. Again we have to call. I will extract the character, that is C, but my rest of the string is nothing. So I will call up with nothing, right? I will call up with nothing. Now this is our base case. What if my string dot length becomes 0? Okay, what I have to return when my string dot length becomes 0? So that is where our base case comes. If str dot length is 0, what I have to do there? Now suppose what are the subsequence of an empty string? That will be 1. Now you will ask why it is 1. Do you know 2 to the power 0 is 1? That means if 2 is multiplied 0 times, then also it will 1. That's why if I have an empty string, its subsequence is what? Is 1. Okay. That's what I have written in the previous terms. That is, I have subsequence as 2 to the power n. Now n is 0, that means there are no words. But then also it has one substring. So I will return what? I will return what here? I will return an array list with an empty string. Okay, it will return here. Now what I have to do? First of all, I have to add the spaces, then I have to add, and then I have to return. First of all, now I will make one array list, right? I have made the array list. Okay, I have made the array list. Now, first of all, what I have to do? First of all, I have to add the space. Now, empty. Okay, and then I have to add the character C. I will return it from here. Now I have come from B. Now B will say, first of all, do not add something, then add me. Okay, it will make an array list. First of all, do not add something, so it will be C, right? This is nothing, it will be C. Then it will say add me also, B, and then it will say add me, BC. It will return from here. Now the character is A. So A will say, first of all, do nothing, then add me. So it will make one array list. It will say do nothing, BC, then add me, A, AC, AB, and ABC. So and it will return from here and it will print it. Okay, fine. So I have written here array list of string. This is my base case. This is important, right? Trace equals to new array list. Fine. I can say add nothing and return from here. Right? Return from here. So this will make my new array list and it will add empty and then it will return it. Okay. So this is my full code. So let's just try to run it and see if there is an error or not. Okay, it is accepted. Okay, let's just submit it. Yes, it is our correct answer. So I hope you understood this. See this. This is the base case. Okay, why I have written this? Because I know 2 to the power 0. That means if I am on the 0, I have 0 words. It has one subsequence. That means I have to return from there with having empty string. Okay, then this is the main part. That is, I have extracted one character, that is the 0th character, and rest of the string is substring 1, array list of string with calling the rest of the string. That I have a faith that it will return me what? It will return me the subsequence of the rest of the string. Then I have made one sequence array list. It will add all the subsequence. Then first for loop is doing what? First for loop is adding nothing. Okay, and second for loop is doing adding character, right? So this is the code and this is the dry run of the code. I hope you understood it better. So this is all for get subsequence. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to our Pepcoding's YouTube channel. Thank you.